is it? Why is it so bad? No, she didn't buy anything. No, I did. I don't know. Kula ko. Bro, is this is just okay, candy. Candy pesos. Look, it's just 15 pesos.
No, enough. May dalawang gin na gano'n. Enough na. Ay, ang gusto ko.
Talaga naman!
Talaga. Sinabi mo na, imbis na hindi tayo pupasok eh.
Then what about the 7 pesos? Then what about the 7?
Enough na yung dalawang gin at saka chichirya at saka coke. Enough na. That's 4 items already.
Yeah? Are you serious? April is raining. I see it. Yes, it is. At least it's just drizzling.
Drizzling? Okay ka lang. Init. Oo, andun.
Dang it! My finger hurts every time it's dry. I'll not go outside yet. Okay, I'm just checking. I like foods. Look. What about this?
No, no more.
I will be very angry. Maybe not be there. Exactly, Bona kid. Nothing. 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 Nice shot.
Is it still drizzling?
Yes,
No more.
but look.
No more.
Here.
Wait, just wait. I will open the...
Why is my legs shaking?
I will open first so you can get inside. It's drizzling. Still drizzling.
Bro, I can't even turn it while I'm holding.
Oh, dali si April pa. Dito.
Oh, my pillow is fractured. Okay, the umbrella is going.